We all know content is king, but how much is too much? And how do you avoid burnout when creating content? Quality is more important than quantity. So that's the most important thing. And usually burnout comes from doing an excessive quantity. When you're doing content, just remember that quantity is important, but not at the expense of your sanity. Like what you're watching so far, do me a favor and like and subscribe. I don't know which content brings you value unless you tell me. So liking and subscribing will help me know to make more of these videos, solve more of your problems, answer more questions, and help take you to the next level. Do that now. Like, subscribe, back to the video. The answer to the magical question of how much is too much content or how much content is good content is that how much can you do while maintaining quality control? So for some people, that might be one a week. And for other people, it might be one a day. There's no such thing as too much good content. So do as much as you can, but up until the point where it's at the sake of quality. We did it. We're learning something together. But here's the thing. I don't know what videos help you unless you tell me by liking and subscribing. So help me help you by liking and subscribing so I know what videos make an impact and help bring you to the next level.